in my way and try to block me, I'ma show aggression. Slide on your block like Danny Glover with a lethal weapon.
Yo, what's good YouTube? It's your boy JTV here. This is my first video, man, and today I'm gonna show y'all how to be a YouTuber. It's 2018, so I think you should start YouTube now. It's time to start now because in the future there's gonna be more people on YouTube and it's gonna be harder to be famous off of it. And if y'all want to be famous and known, and you also have to enjoy doing YouTube, you have to enjoy making videos, you have to know how to edit for yourself because nobody's gonna do it for you from the start. So make sure you know how to do that. And I'm gonna give y'all the steps on how to be a YouTuber, what you need, and let's just get started with it. So the first thing you will need is a camera. You could use your iPhone camera, but people usually say it's not about quality, it matters about personality, but I think a big part is the quality. So yeah, what I use right now is a Canon. It's only $400. It's a Canon G7X. It's only $400. If you go to school, I will suggest you guys make money for yourself by selling stuff. I can make a video on how to sell and what to sell. You can either buy a Canon like this, or you can either, what I suggest, what I used in the beginning, because I have an old YouTube channel, what I would use is a Logitech. Because this, you can record yourself playing games. So if you guys like playing games, you guys can easily record yourself off of that. And then, yeah, so a Logitech is only $60. I really suggest you guys to buy that for the start. So yeah, it's good quality, and then you can stream off of it. You can stream whatever game you want, because I usually stream Fortnite and 2K. So yeah, I suggest this. So get one of these, and yeah. Alright, so the second thing you will need is a mic. So one mic I really suggest is the Blue Yeti. So I'll show you mine right here. This is it right here. A lot of small YouTubers use this mic, so it's only about, I think it's $100, but it'll be down, it'll be somewhere right here, the price. I don't really know what it is, but yeah, this, you should get this. It's a really good mic. If you want to get like a small YouTuber mic, you know, like good enough for videos, then I really suggest this. This is a really good mic. So yeah, that's what you need, a camera and a mic. Another thing you have to do, you have to know how to edit. If you don't know how to edit, then I don't know what to say, but I can make a video on how to edit. Just comment down below, like this video if you want me to edit. Show you guys how to edit. And yeah, so that's pretty much all you need. And if you guys want to do green screen videos, that's really simple. All you got to do is, because I have this paper right here, it's literally green paper and it works perfectly. You don't need to buy no $60 green screen. You don't need to do all that. All you need is a paper, green paper, and you're good. So yeah, that's what I use. So yeah, and if you want to if you want to join my gang, just subscribe down below. Just subscribe, you know. But yeah, let me think, is there anything else you really need? So the Logitech, $60. Blue Yeti, about 100 to 150. Yeah. Alright, so the third thing you need is a computer. So the computer that I use is a Mac. It's really good for editing. It's alright for gaming. It's good enough for gaming. So yeah, on Mac, there's already built-in softwares for you to edit, built-in anything. Like if you want to make music, it's already built-in there. There's a whole bunch of programs that you can use, softwares, anything. So yeah, you need a computer to post videos and edit. And if you don't have a Canon, you can use your phone. It's alright. But yeah, so these are the three things you need. You need a Logitech, and if you guys want me to do a Logitech review, I can show you guys how it looks like, the quality. The second thing you'll need is a Blue Yeti. So yeah, there you guys go. And the third thing you guys need is a Mac computer, any kind of computer. If you guys can't make that money, I'm telling you, try to make a profit at school. Try to sell chips, I can make a video, like I said, to show you guys how to make money at school. So yeah, that's pretty much it, how to start YouTube. So if you want to grow with me, make your channel, grow with me, we're gonna grow together. Oh yeah, so that's pretty much it, man. If you Oh yeah, so that's pretty much it, man. Make sure y'all subscribe if you want a shout out for the next video, and make sure you follow me on Instagram. And yeah, that's pretty much it, y'all. So I'll be posting my next video probably in 2 more days or tomorrow, so make sure y'all be tuned. So yeah, I'm out, y'all.